Here I have an applied proportion problem. So I'll read through it, but then I'm going to show you how I do these. Now, there are a lot of right ways to set up proportions when you have direct variation or things that are proportional to each other, and there are a lot of wrong ways to set up those proportions. So I'm going to show you what works for me, although I would note it's not the only way to do it. So let's read this problem here. An alligator's tail length is proportional to its body length. An alligator with a body length of 4 feet has a tail length of 3.6 feet. What is the tail length of an alligator whose body is 6 feet? Okay, before I just dive in and start writing stuff down, I'm going to get my proportion set up. Okay, and here is what I need to remember. This stuff on this side has to be from the same source. Apparently I can't fit the word source there. There we go. Then this stuff on this side needs to be from another source. And not only that, but going across here, these have to have the same label. Okay, doing this will help me make sure that I get the right proportion set up. So that I get the right answer. This is how I need to do it. So let me show you how this works for this problem. Let me get rid of all these extra comments here. Okay, so over here on the left, I need 2 pieces of information from the same source. So I know that if I erase, I'll erase the problem. An alligator with a body length of 4 feet has a tail length of 3.6 feet. So that's from the same alligator. So I'm going to put 4 foot body, okay, not just the number, but also its label, and a 3.6 foot tail. Okay, those came from the same source. They were the same alligator. That also tells me that across from these, I'm going to want foot body and foot tail. Okay, those are going to be the labels over there. Now, what's my other pair of information? I want to know the tail length. That's what I don't know. And I've got a body length of 6 feet. Okay, so I've got a 6 foot body, and I don't know how long the tail is. Notice, I've got one piece of information, all the same source over here, one piece of information, or these pieces of information, all the same source over here, and my labels match across. Okay, 4 foot body to 6 foot body, 3.6 foot tail to I don't know foot tail. So, what I'm really trying to do then is solve this proportion, 4 is to 3.6, as 6 is to x. Okay, that's the proportion I'm trying to solve. So to do that, I'll cross multiply. So I've got 4 times x equals 3 6/10 times 6. Solve that, I need to divide by 4. Divide by 4. 3.6 divided by 4 is 9/10. 9/10 times 6 is 5.4. Now, I've got 5.4, but 5.4 what? Well, it's 5.4 foot tail. So 5.4 foot long tail. Okay. That's the tail length that matches with the 6 foot long body length alligator.